Welcome to Fix Your Apps. Today, we are diving into the essential study tools with our list of the 5 best educational apps available right now. This video will break down one of the top rated apps, covering its feature and taking a quick tour of its user interface. Now, let's get started. At number 5 on our list, we have the Khan Academy app. This platform lives up to its simple motto: you can learn anything for free. With an excellent rating of 4.5 stars from over 154k reviews, Khan Academy is a non-profit organization dedicated to providing a world-class education for anyone, anywhere. It covers an enormous range of subjects from math and science to history, economics, and even computer science principles. Here are 3 standout features that make this app essential. Track your progress. The personalized mastery system gives you instant feedback and recommendations on what to learn next, helping you pick up right where you left off. Sharpen your skills. You can practice with thousands of interactive exercises, quizzes, and tests, all providing instant feedback and step-by-step hints. Explore our entire library of videos. The content is available for free, giving you access to thousands of expert-created videos and articles at your fingertips. Now let's take a quick look at the app's design and layout. When you first open it, the home page is your main landing area, typically showing recommendations and recent activity. Tapping the Explore option on the bottom navigation bar lets you dive deep into the full catalog of subjects and courses. In the bottom right, you'll find the Bookmarks option, a convenient place to access content you've saved for later, including videos you've downloaded for offline viewing. Up in the settings icon at the top right, you can manage your account and personalized learning preferences. Finally, a prominent Join Class option on the main screen makes it easy for students to connect with their teacher's curriculum. At number 4 on our list is the Coursera Grow Your Career app. With a strong rating of 4.6 stars and over 282,000 reviews, Coursera is a global online learning platform. Its main purpose is to help you start, switch, or advance your career with over 8,000 courses, hands-on projects, certificate programs, and degrees offered in partnership with world-class companies and universities. Here are 3 standout features that make the app special. Grow your career. You can enjoy flexibility and control over your career path and confidently advance your professional life. Learn with experts. The platform allows you to learn from top global universities and companies to build job-relevant skills. Build career skills. You get job-ready through professional certificates and master a skill in a specific field with specialized programs. Now let's take a quick look at the app's clean, intuitive user interface. Starting on the home screen, you can click the Explore menu option to browse the entire catalog of over 8,000 offerings. The bottom navigation bar is key, allowing fast access to core areas. Tapping the Career option shows you pathways for in-demand roles like data analyst or project manager, guiding your professional development. Next, the Learn option takes you directly to your saved and currently enrolled courses, letting you pick up right where you left off. If you know what you're looking for, the Search option brings up a simple interface to quickly find specific courses, certificates, or degrees. Finally, the profile icon on the bottom right leads you to your personal dashboard where you can view your accomplishments, manage your settings, and check your progress. At number 3 on our list, we have the highly rated educational app Quizlet more than flashcards. With a 4.5 star rating from nearly 800,000 reviews, its main purpose is to give you effective study tools that teach you the material, not just tell you the answer, so you can walk into every test with confidence. Here are 3 standout features. Study tools that teach, not tell. This means the app uses adaptive practice that focuses on what you don't know yet. Study your way with flashcards built for every subject. You can discover millions of study sets created by students and teachers, or even let AI generate one for you. Get materials for your class, exam, or goal. Quizlet provides expert authored solutions for tough homework problems and simulated exam ready tests. Now let's take a look at the simple, clean interface. When you first open the app, you land on the home page, which offers a personalized feed of recommended study material based on your courses. Tapping the Create option at the bottom allows you to quickly build a new flashcard set from scratch or by importing your existing notes. Next, the library option organizes all your saved study sets, folders, and classes for easy access. The free trial option in the bottom right corner is a clear callout to explore the paid subscription features like enhanced practice tests and ad-free studying. Finally, we have the profile icon in the top right where you can manage your account settings and track your overall learning progress. At number 2 on our list is Photomath. This highly regarded learning tool has a 4.2 star rating based on over 3 million reviews and is known worldwide for helping learners understand, practice, and solve math problems one step at a time. The main purpose of the app is to let you scan any math problem with your camera to get a step-by-step explanation and accurate solution. Here are a few standout features. Learn algebra, arithmetic, geometry, and more. Photomath supports a vast range of math topics from elementary levels up through advanced calculus. Find the method that makes sense to you. The app provides multiple expert-developed methods for solving problems so you can choose your preferred approach. Connect the dots with new animated steps. These exclusive animations help visual learners by showing the exact progression of a particular solving step. Now let's take a quick look at the app's interface. When you open the app, the home page is dominated by the camera viewfinder ready to scan a problem. Tapping the photo icon on the bottom left brings up your photo gallery, letting you import an image of a math problem you've already taken. Next to that, the calculator icon switches the screen to an advanced scientific calculator perfect for manual input and complex equations. Finally, the three lines icon in the top left corner opens the main menu where you can view your history of scanned problems, access additional learning resources, or adjust the app's settings. At number 1 on our list, we have Duolingo language lessons. This app is the world's most downloaded education app with an impressive 4.4 star rating from over 38 million reviews. Its main purpose is to make learning a new language fun and free through quick, bite-sized lessons. Here are 3 standout features that make Duolingo so popular. Learn a wide range of subjects. You can learn 40 plus languages, plus new courses in math, music, and chess. A fun and engaging approach, game-like lessons, and fun characters build solid speaking, reading, listening, and writing skills. Effective bite-sized lessons. The quick, brief challenges are designed to keep you coming back for more, fostering long-term knowledge retention. Moving to the design and layout of the app, as we install and open Duolingo, we first land on the home page. This is where you select your course and view your current lesson path, which uses a clean map-like layout. Next, we click the feed icon at the bottom. This section lets you track your friends' progress and join competitive leaderboards to stay motivated. Tapping the subscription icon shows the benefits of upgrading to Super Duolingo, such as no ads and unlimited hearts. The More icon in the bottom right opens up additional options for things like settings, help, and the shop where you can spend your in-game currency. Finally, we click on the profile menu, which displays your learning achievements, daily streak, and overall progress in your chosen courses. Thank you for watching this breakdown. Please subscribe for more app reviews.